In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in or switch to a different email account in the web version of Outlook, and you'll pick up a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open your web browser and head to Microsoft's account or Outlook homepage. Make sure you're on an official Microsoft site before you sign in. The address bar should show a Microsoft domain and a secure connection. If you're already looking at your inbox, you're in the right place to continue. Next, look to the upper right corner of the Outlook window. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic silhouette. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where you can view which account is currently active and access options for managing or changing it. From that profile menu, choose Sign In with a different account. This option is perfect when you need to add or switch to another email without disturbing the one you're currently using. It opens the secure Microsoft Sign In experience so you can connect the account you want. Now, enter the email address you'd like to add to Outlook and select Next. You can use a personal address like Outlook, Hotmail, or Live, or a work or school address associated with Microsoft 365. Take a quick moment to confirm you've typed the address correctly. Small typos are the most common reason sign-in fails. If your organization uses single sign-on, the page may automatically recognize your domain and redirect you to your company's sign-in portal. Follow the prompts to enter your password and grant any necessary permissions. If you're asked to verify your identity with a code or an authenticator app, complete that step to keep your account secure. You may also see a stay signed in option on a personal device. That's convenient, but on a shared or public computer, choose not to stay signed in. If Outlook requests permission to access your mailbox so it can display mail and calendar data, approve the request to continue. Once you're signed in, Outlook will load your mailbox. You can always switch accounts again by clicking the profile icon and selecting the one you want, or sign out from the same menu when you're done. If you run into issues, double check your password, confirm caps lock is off, or try a private browsing window to avoid cookie conflicts. That's it. Your email is now added in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.